Good morning, boys and girls. Let's go ahead and begin with our dice. Listen, some things are made of wood. Say that sentence. Some things are made of wood. Are some tables made of wood? Yes. Say the sentence. Some tables are made of wood. Are some floors made of wood? Yes. Say the sentence. Some floors are made of wood. Where do we get wood? From trees. Yes, we get wood from trees. Say the sentence. We get wood from trees. Are all the floors or some floors made of wood? Some floors. Say the sentence. Some floors are made of wood. Remember, some things are made of wood. Are pencils made of wood? Yes. Say the sentence. Pencils are made of wood. Are truck engines made of wood? No. Say the sentence. Truck engines are not made of wood. Are some houses made of wood? Yes. Say the sentence. Some houses are made of wood. You learned that you can say the words both the things if you are talking about two things. Tell me if I should say the word both or the word all. Listen, 5 children were playing. Should I say both the children were playing or all the children were playing? Think about it. Get ready. All the children were playing. Listen, there are 2 cats. The 2 cats are in the tree. What should I say? Get ready. Both the cats are in the tree. Listen, there were 20 babies. The 20 babies were in the room. What should I say? Get ready. All the babies were in the room. Listen, there were 2 babies. The 2 babies were in the room. What should I say? Get ready. Both babies were in the room. Listen, another word for big is large. Say large. Large. A big ball is a large ball. What's a big ball? Get ready. A large ball. What's a big house? Get ready. A large house. What's a big shoe? Get ready. A large shoe. What's a big cat? Get ready. A large cat. Listen, Glenn wanted a new bike. What did he want? Get ready. A new bike. He said, I will get a bike at a bike store. What did he say? Get ready. I will get a bike at a bike store. So he went to a bike store. Where did he go? Get ready. To a bike store. Say the sentence. Get ready. He went to a bike store. Glenn looked at the prices of bikes. What did he do? Get ready. Looked at the prices of bikes. The price of the first bike was $200. Glenn said, I can't have that bike because I don't have $200. Why couldn't he get that bike? Get ready. Because he didn't have $200. Yes, he didn't have $200. Say the sentence. Get ready. He didn't have $200. The price of the next bike was $400. Did Glenn get that bike? Get ready. No. Why couldn't he get that bike? Get ready. Because he didn't have $400. Glenn asked the woman at the bike store, do you have any bikes that are not new? She said, yes, we have some bikes that are not new. Listen again. We have some bikes that are not new. Say the sentence. Get ready. We have some bikes that are not new. She showed Glenn a good bike. The price of that bike was $100. Do you think Glenn got that bike? Get ready. Yes. Yes, he got that bike. Say that sentence. Get ready. He got that bike. And the next day, he got new tires for the bike. What did he get? Get ready. New tires for the bike. Say the sentence about what he did. Get ready. He got new tires for the bike. Now let's go ahead and look at the next picture, boys and girls. Raise your hand when you know which house is 5 miles south of the red house. Remember, 5 miles south of the red house. Look at it carefully, boys and girls. Which house? Get ready. The yellow house. Yes, the yellow house is 5 miles south of the red house. Say the sentence about the yellow house. Get ready. The yellow house is 5 miles south of the red house. Is the blue house 5 miles south or the red house or 5 miles north of the red house? Think about it. Get ready. 5 miles north of the red house. Say the sentence about the blue house. Get ready. The blue house is 5 miles north of the red house. Look at the white house. Is the white house 10 miles west of the red house or 10 miles east of the red house? Think about it. Get ready. 10 miles west of the red house. Say the sentence about the white house. Think about it. Get ready. The White House is 10 miles west of the red house. Which house is 2 miles east of the red house? Think about it. Get ready. The green house. Say the sentence about the green house. Get ready. The green house is 2 miles east of the red house. Good job, boys and girls. Make sure you watch this video multiple times so you can master this 5 exercises. I will see you all soon. Have a great day.